wherever you may be watching us in today's video, we will continue with a walkthrough of Netter's anatomy flashcards, continuing now with the different muscles of facial expression, seen here on lateral view. You can follow the cursor along as we look at the different labeled components. Number 1 here, superior to the ear, is the auricularis superior muscle, the auricularis superior muscle. Anterior to the ear, we have the auricularis anterior muscle. Superiorly overlying the scalp is the epicranial aponeurosis. Anteriorly, we have the small muscle here, which is the corrugator supercilii muscle, the corrugator supercilii muscle. And anterior to it is the procerus muscle. Number 6 here is the nasalis muscle. And posteriorly, we see the zygomaticus minor muscle anteriorly, the zygomaticus minor muscle. And behind it, the larger muscle strip is the zygomaticus major. Overlying the chin area, we have the mentalis muscle, And posterior to it is the depressor labii inferioris, Posterior to the orbicularis oris muscle, just this circular muscle over here, posterior to it is the risorius. Key takeaways here are that, number 1, all muscles of facial expression are innervated by terminal branches of the facial nerve, which is cranial nerve number 7. Number 2, these cutaneous muscles all lie within the layers of the superficial fascia. Finally, all of the muscles of facial expression are derived embryologically from the second pharyngeal branchial arch, and again are innervated by the facial nerve.